welcome to our garden update. Here are the first stop.
Do you remember what's in here?
Mm-mm.
Lettuce.
Lettuce.
Mm-hmm.
And over here is our carrots.
Kale.
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 Oh, there used to be some kale in here, but
It
no.
looks like there's some that may be trying to come up here and there and there.
And there's a little green spot.
Yeah. What's in here?
It's our arugula. There used to be some more over here,
Yeah, well,
but
we
they
had
got
some-
blown all over. Cause
I
there's
think
one.
they're getting eaten.
They may be. Thank you.
Now over here we have the
It's supposed to be spinach, but
Spinach is not.
the spinach didn't do well, which is fine.
Cootered out.
It's
Cootered
fine.
out.
And she's picking up a pepper. Tomato plant, I think, is done.
Yeah, it's
Pepper plant, I think, is done. I did pick that one pepper that we had. It's the only pepper I got off of it this year, but we'll see. Onions are there. Citronella. Lemon. Our 2 lemon trees that kind of came back from the brink of death are actually doing pretty good.
I think this one is trying to sprout out some leaves.
Okay.
I think.
Maybe, I don't know.
This one might be going to too.
Maybe, I don't know. But they seem to be doing well. Oranges are doing great. Where to now?
backyard. Actually over here.
Okay.
Now
Probably
show
here.
them
What's over here?
all here are potatoes. And you might be excited because 1, 2, 3, ta-da!
And what is this?
This is our potato.
This is our potato.
And it's sprouting.
Yeah, it's getting bigger.
Mhm.
Definitely sprouted and getting bigger. So we'll keep an eye on it. Keep looking at it.
I'm waiting for them leaves to pop out. As soon as them leaves pop out, you're going to be going, look a little champion.
All right, now where to?
Backyard.
Backyard. All right.
Backyard.
Follow
Backyard.
us to the backyard.
Here's our lemongrass.
Yeah.
Planted
there's
it, but I
lemongrass
think
there.
that one is just it.
That wasn't lemongrass. That was something else.
Oh.
It was some kind of little foo-foo plant they had next to
Oh,
it.
okay, well, there's the lemongrass. Looks good.
But yeah, it's actually getting bigger.
Yeah, and we're going into the backyard. What are you picking up? Oh, nature. She's picking up nature.
Nature is beautiful.
It is. Nature is beautiful. All right. Ooh, look at that.
It's gotten bigger.
It has gotten bigger.
And if you guys
Yay.
don't know.
Okay. Oh, we want to start on this side?
Well,
Which
Yeah.
side? This side? Okay. Well, here we go. Over here, cucumbers, peas, doing well, getting bigger. Our bush beans have exploded.
And we got
Oh, yeah. More. Yeah. We've had some caterpillars eating on our bush beans, but golly, look at all of those. Look at that. These plants are loaded. That's another one right there.
Yeah.
All right.
There it is right here. There's where the caterpillar is. It's underneath there, I bet.
I don't know where it is, but
Yeah, I'm not telling where it's moved to.
no telling. All right, let's go over here so we can check out over here.
Tons and tons and tons of bushes and.
But the bush beans are just loaded.
Yeah, they're
Something
extremely
ate
loaded.
the beet leaves, but I'm gonna leave them. See if they. I don't know if they do anything or not. We'll see. It's all just a big experiment. We had a carrot pop up, but it's now disappeared. So I don't know if it got eaten or what happened, but it's gone. The spinach, again, the spinach is just not doing well. I wonder if it was just too early to plant the spinach, although this one's popping up. So I don't know. And then, of course, the Swiss chard over here. It's looking pretty good. It's getting eaten by something. Probably that same caterpillar.
Probably.
But it is growing, so we'll keep an eye on it. But anything else?
Gotta think. I did clear off the back of the house.
Yeah, all this got
Got
taken
less
down.
mosquitoes now.
Yep. Just still need to do this ivy over here.
If you backtrack on the back of the video at the beginning when we come out and we're going towards potatoes, we ripped all the vines up around the tree, or I ripped up all the vines
Yes,
because we
he
had a
did.
yellow jacket hornet's nest.
Yeah.
Found it mowing about a week ago
Yep.
while I was on vacation, and the
There's a butterfly.
Yeah,
yes,
there's a
it's,
butterfly.
kissing all the flowers.
Yeah.
So I found the nest, killed it, pulled up all the vines, because I'm glad it was me instead of my daughter or my wife getting stung. I got stung 7 times, but anyway, got that cleared off. I'm going to start the patio probably next week and start laying some bricks. It's just a butterfly. Butterflies don't hurt you.
Yeah, butterflies won't hurt you.
See?
They
They'll
pollinate.
land on you and kiss you with their really long tongues.
Yeah. But their job is to help pollinate plants.
Yeah.
They're a pollinator.
Maybe if I stand still and put my finger out, maybe it'll come.
Maybe.
That's it. I don't have anything else.
Then
Just that.
it will kiss me.
I'm
and
sorry, I
then
missed
it
what you
will
said
back
because that
Oh,
big
I
truck
said-
went by.
That's it. We just moved that. I'm going to start the patio. We're just kind of, taking a step at a time.
One step at a
trying,
time.
yeah,
I don't know. Play right it somewhere.
That's all I have.
Yeah.
Well,
You got
maybe-
anything?
Nope. Well, bye. Subscribe for another. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for the garden update. See you later. Bye.